Yo, Lock Stars, it's your buddy Southpaw Pete. And what I got today is my first real dimple lock. I did get another one, mono block, but what I wanted to show today was this Nestling top security. It's kind of what I refer to as one of the smiley face dimple locks. It's probably not correct, but works like a charm once you turn the key all the way. Okay, so I'm going to use a Southern Specialties. This is the 30 thousandths. I'm going to use top of the keyway part right over here. I'm going to try my dimple rake because I do not own dimple flags as of yet, but we'll get there. Hey, peppers and sausage their own. You know what I'm saying? See what we can do with what we got. Okay. Not feeling too much there. I mean, I'm feeling the pins, that's for sure. So, okay, maybe not reaching them. Okay, no big deal. Let's reset. All right. And now, what I'm gonna try, I've seen done before, is a half diamond. And we'll see if we could get in here at all. Come on. Now, I don't know dimples. I don't know if you can overset, which is possible as to what I'm doing. Got a little movement here. See? Yeah. All right. First dimple done. Now, that was kind of raked and disgusting, but a win is a win, ladies and gentlemen. And it appears, well, yeah, that's a win. Have a great day. Rock and roll.